I just got back from the LinkedIn offices and what I heard blew my mind. LinkedIn video is about to blow up. See, the creator economy is worth $104 billion annually. That's $104 billion flowing to people who figured out how to monetize their expertise through content. And LinkedIn is about to become the perfect place for business owners and entrepreneurs to get a piece of it. I first heard about this a few months ago. See, this is not LinkedIn's first time trying video. They've attempted it before, but the timing wasn't right. The platform wasn't ready, and neither were the users. Early 2025, LinkedIn pushed video heavily, had creators from Instagram and TikTok doubling down their posting on the platform. But midway through the year, this completely dipped. The reason? They're positioning as a B2B platform. LinkedIn wants video, but the right kind. Not the user-generated viral motivational videos, but true, educational, and deep content that would thrive in a professional space. And here's where things get interesting. They've spent months studying what actually worked. Notice that the videos that performed across users weren't the viral trends or the motivational fluff. They were the nerdy educational tutorials, the industry breakdowns, the expert deep dives that actually taught people something valuable. And they developed their new secret weapon, BrandLink. And I'll get to what that is in a second, but let me tell you why this matters to you. See, we're living through the biggest shift in how professionals consume information. Attention spans are shrinking. The need for true expertise and expert-led content is exploding. CEOs worldwide are consuming short-form content daily. Even I, as an entrepreneur, have hired people through it. And more importantly, I've benefited from it. Look, the professionals who really figure out how to package their expertise into engaging, digestible, short-form content will win. They get more clients, they get more speaking opportunities, they even get more investment because of this unique skill. And LinkedIn, well, they finally realized that they were sitting on a goldmine of professional expertise that wasn't being properly showcased. Now, here's a problem. Even I noticed it. In fact, I was quite vocal about it. LinkedIn was not a video native platform. It was more of a written form platform, which means that its users aren't used to video or don't routinely create it. So to actually fix this once and for all, there needed to be other incentives that weren't just a boost in impressions. So LinkedIn launched what I believe will make it work, BrandLink. This is LinkedIn's creator monetization system. It's still in beta and only being rolled out in the US, but LinkedIn seems to be all in on this. From the Cannes pop-up events in France, literally talking about videos, to US campaigns to get creators to film content and post on LinkedIn. It's happening. Here's what BrandLink does. Instead of going the typical ad revenue split like YouTube, LinkedIn is going straight to brands. They're matchmaking high-value creators with companies who are actively looking to spend their marketing budget on expert-led video content. I actually predicted this shift in content prioritization in my last video here. Companies, consumers, and so on want niche expertise and professionals with credibility, and also content that educates, not just entertains. Now, here's the execution playbook so you can get started with LinkedIn video. First, if you've already been posting on LinkedIn, you literally have a goldmine, your posts. You can repurpose them straight into scripts. But to make them work on a video format, we need to obsess over the hook, because the hook is the only reason why people would actually stay and watch past second number 3. Here are my favorite high retention hook styles so you can copy them. Number 1 is a paradox. So something like, I regret improving myself. That is the hook. Number 2 is a bold how-to. So for example, here's how to never waste time networking again. Third is a counterintuitive claim. So an example would be, cold showers are ruining your mornings. Then 4, emotional bait, and usually goes something like, I was broke last year, but today I'm here. And finally, number 5 is to just use a number. So something like, in 14 days, this changed everything. We're not giving it all away, we're just simply sparking curiosity. Second, we need the body of the video. Once you've hooked people in, the body of your video has one job: educate. Keep it stupidly simple. KISS. That's a framework that I learned at university, the only one. Anyways, you can use a structure like a step-by-step. So step 1, share the mistake. Step 2, break it down. Step 3, deliver the fix. It's that simple. Or my personal favorite, problem, mistake, fix. For example, let me role play here. This is exactly how I would do my video. Most people script by writing essays. The mistake, they sound robotic on video. Here's how to fix it. Write like you think, not how you speak. Bullet points and not paragraphs. Now that's the hook and the body laid out for you so you can see exactly how I would make it work. Now, third is having a strong ending. This is the most slept on part of any video or even text content. Don't just drop knowledge and disappear. End with a viewer-centered call to action. So something like try this for 7 days and watch what happens. Or something else like follow for more shortcuts like this. And my favorite and go-to, this one mindset shift changed everything for me. Apply it and thank me later. But if you want to thank me now, the best way to do this is to subscribe to this channel so LinkedIn keep on inviting me to their headquarters. See, calls to action always work. Sometimes they feel like a lesson from a mentor or a simple reminder of something that you can do to support your favorite creator. So moving on to part number 4 is the filming and the editing. You don't need a studio. The only thing that you actually need is daylight or a $20 ring light. I use a teleprompter sometimes, but honestly, bullet points on your phone work perfectly fine. For editing, I actually cut empty space on CapCut and auto-generate subtitles and change the font if I don't like it and add background music, and then that's done. I've also worked with agencies in the past and still do to this day. They're actually editing my video right now. But I should mention short form videos filmed and edited using my phone work as well as videos filmed with my $2,000 camera and an agency. It really depends on you and your budget. Now, finally, part number 5 is the caption. Don't just copy and paste your script because it's not going to look good and it's probably not gonna be as engaging. So if your video hook is something like, I just launched a new AI tool that's about to change the game for creators, then your caption hook should be, my AI tool just launched and it's going to change everything. Keep your caption under 800 characters, use 8 to 10 words max in the hooks, so always space your lines. So one line, then space, then one line, then space, then you can try and play with other formatting styles like one line space, 2 line space, whatever works for you, but always try and have some visual formatting going on. And to even complement this further, you can add bullet points so people don't just read, they actually watch the video. Bullet points are the summary of your video and the video actually shares the depth. Oh, and also, I actually did just launch my new AI tool. It's called Clio. It learns your voice, it writes 10 times faster, and it helps you script videos like this one without overthinking. Check the link in the description, and if you comment below, I'll give one of you lifetime access for free. Now, you've got everything you need to know to go all in on video, and if not, at least you just learned how to write a better LinkedIn post. Because honestly, these skills are transferable. Everything is writing, scripts, LinkedIn posts, newsletters, keynote speeches, all of it. It's really a win-win. We're literally watching billion-dollar companies pump money onto this platform, but here's the reality. This window won't stay open forever. Every major opportunity feels obvious until it's gone. The quality bar is at the lowest it's ever been, and you might as well try. Your opportunity to start out as a business owner or creator or even entrepreneur is right here on LinkedIn. I want you to win because LinkedIn changed my life and business, and it's time for you to change yours.